Hey jugglers, thank you for coming back to our channel, Juggling the Johnsons. I'm Naisha, Lady Johnson, First Lady of the house, okay? I know I shared a picture with you guys a couple of weeks ago of me being late putting up our Christmas decorations, but you know, the holiday season is over. I decorated. I didn't get a chance to share with you guys how everything turned out. So I'm going to share with you how I'm going to take everything down and you'll get to see how everything was decorated. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. The holiday season is my absolute favorite time of the year. But I must say that Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday. I love decorating. I love putting all of my pieces that I've acquired throughout the years on display, especially the things that I've gotten while we were living in this house. I love making memories with my family that will last a lifetime. Love these.